Ever bought a beautiful bunch of carrots only to find them a week later limp, rubbery, and maybe even a little slimy? We've all been there. Well, today we're solving that. We're talking all about how to store carrots in your refrigerator to keep them crisp and fresh for weeks, not days. Method 1, the plastic bag, the supermarket method. This is the simplest method and works perfectly if you've bought loose, naked carrots or a bag without any liquid. The goal is to maintain humidity without causing rot. Step 1, if your carrots have greens on top, cut them off. The greens are thirsty and will draw moisture out of the carrot root, making it limp much faster. You can compost the greens or use them to make pesto. Step 2, if the carrots are dirty, do not wash them yet. Wait to wash them until you're ready to eat them. Moisture on the skin can accelerate spoilage. Step 3, place the dry, unwashed carrots inside a plastic bag. A reusable produce bag, the bag they came in, or even a zip-top bag. Here's the pro tip: loosely tie the bag or leave it slightly open. You don't want it completely airtight, as carrots need to breathe a little. This bag traps the carrots' natural humidity, preventing them from drying out. Step 4, store the bag in the high humidity crisper drawer of your fridge. This method will easily keep your carrots crisp for 2 to 3 weeks. Method 2, the water container, the ultimate crispness hack. If you want to go for maximum crispness and longevity, this is the champion method. It's perfect if you have a lot of carrots or bought them in bulk. Step 1, again, remove the greens if they're attached. Step 2, take a glass or plastic airtight container and place the carrots inside. Step 3, completely cover the carrots with cold, fresh water. Seal the container with a lid and pop it in the refrigerator. Step 4, change the water every 4 to 5 days to keep it fresh and prevent any bacteria from building up. This method is like giving your carrots a perpetual spa day. They will stay incredibly hydrated and crisp for a month or even longer. Method 3, the paper towel wrap, the quick fix. Don't have a container or the right bag? No problem. This is a great, quick, and effective method. Step 1, remove the greens. Step 2, wrap a small bunch of carrots tightly in a few sheets of paper towel or a clean kitchen towel. Lightly dampen the towel with water. You want it moist, not dripping wet. Step 3, place the wrapped bundle into a plastic bag or container and store it in the crisper drawer. The paper towel acts as a humidity regulator, absorbing excess moisture while providing just enough to keep the carrots from drying out. This is good for 1 to 2 weeks. What not to do. Don't just toss loose carrots into the fridge drawer. They'll lose moisture and become rubbery in just a few days. Don't store them next to ethylene-producing fruits like apples, bananas, or avocados. This gas can cause carrots to become bitter and spoil faster. Don't wash them before storage unless you're using the water method. So, to recap, the plastic bag, simple, effective, great for 2 to 3 weeks. The water container, the best for long-term storage and ultimate crispness. The paper towel wrap, a fantastic quick fix that works really well. So, whether you're a meal prepper, a bulk buyer, or just someone who hates wasting food, one of these methods will work for you. Thanks again to our viewer for the great question. Did you find this helpful? Which method are you going to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any other kitchen life hacks, share them for a chance to be featured in a future video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips. See you next time!